Ram Ram. Namaste everyone. Welcome you all to Samskrita Shri Pathamala 1. Today we'll see the locative case. That is the Saptami Vibhakti Prayogaha. This is session 35 of our series. Mangala Shlokaha. Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashantaye Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmalasphटिकाकृतिम् Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe Saraswati Namaste Suveena Pustakadharini Hamsavahana Marudhe Vidyadhanam Kurushvame. The Subhashitam for today is in Saptami Vibhakti. Shaile Shaile na Manikyam Mauktikam na Gaje Gaje Sadhavo na hi sarvatra. Sadhavo is actually Sadhavah. Na hi sarvatra. Chandanam na vane vane. So Shailaha is a rock and Manikyam is ruby. So not every rock. In every rock we don't find a ruby. Mauktikam na gaje gaje. It is said that the forehead of the elephant has, some elephants has the pearl. Mauktikam is a pearl. So rubies are not found in every rock. Pearls not in every elephant. Sadhavaha is sadhuhu, the plural form of sadhuhu. So Sadhavaha has become Sadhavo. Sadhavaha na hi sarvatra. We don't find good people everywhere. Chandanam na vane vane. And so also sandalwood trees are not found in every forest. So the key point here is we don't find good people everywhere. So good people are very rare to come by. The examples are Chandanam not being found in every forest, in every wood. Shaile, in every rock we don't find a ruby, and in every elephant we don't find a pearl. So today we will do some Shabda Ratanam. The new words we will learn first. The Bhavat Shabda in the three lingas we are going to see today. Now Bhavat is a Sarvanama Shabda. It ends in Takara. So the forms are a bit different. Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Bhavat Shabdaha. The Prathama Vibhakti is Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. The Sambodhana Prathama is He Bhavan, He Bhavantau, He Bhavantaha. Dvitiya, Bhavantam, Bhavantau, Bhavataha. Bhavantaha becomes Bhavataha. Tritiya is Bhavata, Bhavadbhyam, Bhavadbhihi. Chaturthi, Bhavate, Bhavadbhyam, Bhavadbhyaha. Panchami, Bhavataha, Bhavadbhyam, Bhavadbhyaha. Shashti, Bhavataha, Bhavatoho, Bhavatam. And Saptami, Bhavati, Bhavatoho, Bhavatsu. Let me read it again. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. He Bhavan, He Bhavantau, He Bhavantaha. Bhavantam, Bhavantau, Bhavataha. Bhavata, Bhavadbhyam, Bhavadbihi. Bhavate, Bhavadbhyam, Bhavadbhyaha. Bhavataha, Bhavadbhyam, Bhavadbhyaha. Bhavataha, Bhavatoho, Bhavatam. Bhavati, Bhavatoho, Bhavatsu. This is the Pullinga Bhavat Shabda. Next is the Ikaranta Srilinga Bhavati Shabda. Here the Prathama is Bhavati, Bhavatyau, Bhavatyah. This is like the Nadi Shabda. He Bhavati, He Bhavatyau, He Bhavatyah. And this is Sambodhana. Dvitiya is bhavatim, bhavatyau, bhavatihi. Bhavatya, bhavatibhyam, bhavatibhihi. Bhavatyai, bhavatibhyam, bhavatibhyah. Bhavatyah, bhavatibhyam, bhavatibhyah. Bhavatyah, bhavatyoh, bhavatinam. Bhavatyam, bhavatyoh, bhavatishu. Again. Bhavati, bhavatyau, bhavatyah. He bhavati, he bhavatyau, he bhavatyah. Bhavatim, bhavatyau, bhavatihi. Bhavatya, bhavatibhyam, bhavatibihi. Bhavatyai, bhavatibhyam, bhavatibhyah. Bhavatyah, bhavatibhyam, bhavatibhyah. Bhavatyah, bhavatyoh, bhavatinam. Bhavatyam, bhavatyoh, bhavatishu. This is Strilinga Bhavat Shabda. Napumsakalinga Bhavat Shabda. Bhavat, Bhavati, Bhavanti. He Bhavat, He Bhavati, He Bhavanti. There should be a gap here. Bhavat, Bhavati, Bhavanti again is Dvitiya. Bhavata, Bhavadvyam, Bhavadbihi, Tritiya. Bhavate, Bhavadvyam, Bhavadvyah, Chaturthi. Bhavatah, Bhavadvyam, Bhavadvyah, Panchami. Bhavatah, Bhavatoho, Bhavatam, Shashti. Bhavati, Bhavatoho, Bhavatsu, Saptami. So from Tritiya, it is the same as Pullinga, like other Sarvanama Shabdas. So we will, I'll do this one more time. The Napumsakalinga Bhavat Shabda. Only the Prathama and Dvitiya differ from the Pullinga Shabda. Bhavat, Bhavati, Bhavanti. He Bhavat, He Bhavati, He Bhavanti. Bhavat, Bhavati, Bhavanti. Again, Bhavata, Bhavadvyam, Bhavadbihi. Bhavate, Bhavadvyam, Bhavadvyah. Bhavatah, Bhavadvyam, Bhavadvyah. Bhavatah, Bhavatoho, Bhavatam. Bhavati, Bhavatoho, Bhavatsu. All these are similar to the Pullinga Bhavat Shabda. So, this Bhavat Shabda is unique. I am sure you would have all observed that though it is a Sarvanama Shabda, it has a Sambodhana Prathama Rupam. So, He Bhavan, He Bhavantau, He Bhavantah in Pullinga. Like that, there are Sambodhana forms as well. And the meaning of Bhavat is you. So, when we have to address somebody in front of us, or the front of the person who's speaking, in the sense of you, it is used. So technically, it is a Madhyama Purusha usage, isn't it? But it is used only with the Prathama Purusha Kriya Padam. The example is Bhavan Kim Karoti. Normally we say Tvam Kim Karoshi, isn't it? But with Bhavat, we use the Prathama Purusha verb form. So Bhavan Kim Karoti, Bhavati Katham Asti. If it is Tvam, we would say Tvam Katham Asi. Another difference is, I have not mentioned it here, that there are three, like in Tvam Shabda, there are no three lingas, but in Bhavat Shabda, even though it is in Madhyama Purusha, there are all the three lingas, just like the Prathama Purusha Sarvanama Shabdaha. So, the use of this Bhavat Shabda is generally for people who are elders and who are respectable persons. Now, this is a much later development. Why I have marked it as with an asterisk here is that in Kavyas, it is said that this differentiation or this discrimination between respect and no respect is not made. Tvam and Bhavat are used interchangeably. Yushmad and Bhavat Shabdas are used interchangeably. Whether it is to denote a person with respect or not, to address a person with respect or not, they are both used. But of late, we use Bhavat Shabda only for people who are elders or respectable people. So, and Tvam is used when we don't intend to show that much respect. So this differentiation is more a recent practice. If there are any questions with regard to the Bhavat Shabda, I will take it now. Yes, that's a good observation. The second plural and the sixth singular are both Bhavatah. Second plural, fifth singular and sixth singular are Bhavatah. That's true. But based on the context, we have to find out the meaning, whether it is intended to be the second plural or the fifth singular or sixth singular. What is the meaning of Bhavat? It means you. So when the person in front of you is masculine, you use Bhavan. In feminine, you use Bhavati, and Napumsakalinga, you use Bhavat. So this Sakara and Shakara difference in the Saptami Bahuvachanam is always a point of doubt. So generally when there is Akara or Akara, like Ramasu or any Akara ending, then not the ending of the Shabda, but for the Saptami, if there is an Akara which is preceding, then it is Su. Like for Ramaha, it is Rameshu. Since it is Ekara, it becomes Shakara. So with any other vowel, it becomes with any other vowel or with a consonant. For example, in Bhavatsu, it is Sakara. So it is that is the differentiation. That is the difference between the Sakara and the Shakara. So for consonants and Akara, it will be Sakara, and for vowels, it will be other vowels other than Akara and Akara, it will be Shu. What is the meaning of Bhavati, not Bhavati? Bhavati is the it is a dhatu called Bhu dhatu, to be. Just like As dhatu is to be, the same way Bhu dhatu is also to be. So Bhavati in the Hrasva is you are, they are, or he is. In that sense, we use Bhavati as the verb. Whereas Bhavati is referring to a person in front of you who is Strilinga and singular. Bhavati is, say a teacher is standing in front of you, then you say Bhavati Katham Asti, because we use the Prathama Purusha verb form with Bhavat Shabda. Is it possible to give the English words for the Sarvanama Shabda? Yes, you is Bhavat Shabda. You is Tvam and Bhavat. Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. It should be Bhavati. Bhavati is your addressing. So in Sambodhana, Bhavati becomes Bhavati. So it is Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. Dehi is please give. So as I had mentioned in the last class, there is a lot lakara, which is an order or a request, where the Dehi is the Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana form. What is the second case of Bhasha? Bhasham. It's an Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. So if there's anything connected with the Bhavat Shabda, you ask now. The other doubts we will clarify later. Yes, Bhu Dhatuhu Lat Lakara Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana is Bhavanti. That's true. So these are the questions. So if you want, we can read the Bhavat Shabda again. Bhavat Shabda, if somebody wants to read. please raise your hand. We will read it once and then proceed. S. Muralidharan Mahodaya.
Ram.
Yeah.
तकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः भवत् शब्दः भवान् भवन्तौ भवन्तः हे भवन् हे भवन्तौ हे भवन्तः भवन्तं भवन्तौ भवतः भवता भवद्भ्यां भवद्भिः भवते भवद्भ्यां भवद्भ्यः भवतः भवद्भ्यां भवद्भ्यः भवतः भवतोः भवतां भवति भवतोः भवत्सु।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।
Shamchan, do you want to read the Srilinga Bhavat Shabda? Shamchan?
Ram.
Ram. Namaste.
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः भवति शब्दः भवति भवत्यो भवत्यः हे भवति हे भवत्यो हे भवत्यः भवतीं भवत्यो भवतीः भवत्या भवतीभ्यां भवतीभिः भवत्यै भवतीभ्यां भवतीभ्यः भवत्याः भवतीभ्यां भवतीभ्यः भवत्याः भवत्योः भवतीनां भवत्यां भवत्योः भवतीषु।
सम्यक्, उत्तमं, धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।
Again, takarantah pullingah napumsakalingah bhavat shabdah. Sarita Singh Bhagini. You're self-muted.
Ram Bhagini. तकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः भवत् शब्दः भवत् भवति भवन्ति हे भवत् हे भवति हे भवन्ति भवत् भवति भवन्ति भवता भवद्भ्यां भवद्भिः भवते भवद्भ्यां भवद्भ्यः भवतः भवद्भ्यां भवद्भ्यः भवतः भवतोः भवतां भवति भवती भवतोः भवत्सु।
भवति भवतोः
भवत्सु। धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः। So this bhavati is also the saptami ekavachana form. It is also in dhatu. It is the bhu dhatu slat lakara prathama purusha ekavachana. So only purely based on the context we can find out whether it's a noun or the verb. So you don't worry about the usage of this right now. Just learn the forms and we will use it appropriately in sentences later. Next is I am the idam shabda in all the three lingas. Again, I would like you to volunteer. Padma Kalyan Bhagini. Padma Kalyan Bhagini. I think you're self-muted. Radha Madan Bhagini. Radha Madan. You're self-muted. Yes.
Ram Ram Mahoday.
Ram Ram. Yes. Makaranta.
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः इदं शब्दः अयम् इमौ इमे इमम् एनम् इमौ एनौ इमान् एनान् अनेन एनेन आभ्याम् एभिः अस्मै आभ्याम् एभ्यः अस्मात् आभ्याम् एभ्यः अस्य अनयोः एनयोः एषाम् अस्मिन् अनयोः एनयोः एषु
उत्तमं सम्यक् भगिनि धन्यवादः प्रभा रमेश स्त्रीलिंग मकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग इदं शब्द
मकारान्तः श्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः इयम् इमे इमाः इमाम् एनाम् इमे एने इमाः एनाः अनया एनया आभ्याम् आभिः अस्यै आभ्याम् आभ्यः अस्याः आभ्याम् आभ्यः अस्याः अनयोः एनयोः आसाम् अस्याम् अनयोः एनयोः आसु
सम्यक् धन्यवादः भगिनि
धन्यवादः
मकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग इदं शब्दः पवित्रावि
इदम् इमे इमानि इदम् इमे इमानि अनेन एनेन आभ्याम् एभिः अस्मै आभ्याम् एभ्यः अस्मात् आभ्याम् एभ्यः अस्य अनयोः एनयोः एषाम् अस्मिन् अनयोः एनयोः एषु
सम्यक् धन्यवादः So again, we'll practice the lot lakara. I hope you have had the chance to practice at home as well with other dhatus as we had mentioned in the previous class. If somebody wants to read lot lakara, pat dhatu lot lakara. Padmini Varadan. Padmini Varadan Bhagini. We're unable to hear you, even though you're unmuted. I think there is some problem with your mic. Meenakshi Bhagini. Yes. Ram Ram. Namaste.
Ram Ram. Lot lakara pat dhatu. Patatu patatam. Patha dhatu. Patatu patatam patantu. Patha patatam patata. Patani patava patam.
Samyak. Can you try this with lik dhatu?
Likhatu likhatam likhantu. Likha likatham likata. लिखानि लिखाव लिखाम।
सम्यक् उत्तमं धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।
मालिनी 1 भगिनी।
Hi, Ram Ram. Can you hear me?
Ram. Yes. So can you try this with say dhav, to run? The lot lakara form of dhav dhatu. You're self muted again.
Okay. Lord Lakara, Dav, Dhatu, Davatu, Davatam, Davantu, Dav,
Yes.
Dava, Davatam, Davata, Davani, Davani, Davava, Davamaha.
Dhavava dhavama.
Davava.
Uttam.
Thank you.
Dhav will remain and then ani ava ama. Dhavani dhavava dhavama. धन्यवादः भगिनी।
Thank you.
So now we'll see the prayoga of Saptami Vibhakti or the locative case. Saptami Vibhakti is primarily used to indicate where. So in the place of prepositions in, on, at, among and about, we use the Saptami Vibhakti. Example, Aham Chennai Nagare Vasami. Chennai Nagaram is the Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. The Prathama form is Nagaram, Nagare, Nagarani. So Chennai Nagaram, Chennai Nagare, Chennai Nagarani are the Prathama forms. Saptami Ekavachanam will be Chennai Nagare. Aham Chennai Nagare Vasami. So when we have to express that somebody has an interest in something, or he is an expert at something, or when he has an aptitude for something, then we use the Saptami Vibhakti for the person or the thing in which the interest or aptitude is found in. For example, Ramaha Bhavane Samarthaha. So Rama is an expert at running, or he's very good at running, or he has he excels in it. So Dhavane Samarthaha. Samarthaha means he's very good at it. So in that sense also we use the Saptami Vibhakti. So we cannot exactly say that there is some location involved in this, but we know that in that area he excels, or he has interest in that area. Next is to indicate the superlative degree. So when there are many people, and when you say Ramaha Chhatreshu Chaturaha, that means among all the students, Rama is very bright. So Ramaha Chhatreshu Chaturaha means he is brilliant among all the students. So the group among which he is good is put in the Saptami Bahuvachan, Chhatreshu. So these are generally the context in which you will find the Saptami Vibhakti. Let us look at some examples. So again, I would need volunteers. You can try to guess the meaning. I will help you with it. Lalita Balaji Bhagini.
Ram Ram, madam.
Ram Ram, namaste. Can you read the first sentence?
Janakah grihe asti.
Yes.
The father is at home.
Uttam. Father is in the house. Father is at home.
Home, okay.
This Rasakhandam or Rasakhandaha is a sugar candy. So
Okay.
this is a new word.
Rasakande madhuryam asti.
Yes.
Means actually that
Madhuryam is
is sweet.
sweetness. So you
Sweetness.
find the quality of sweetness where in Rasakhanda. So it is Saptami Vibhakti. Rasakhandam
Khande.
comes in Saptami. Rasakhande. Samyak Bhagini.
There
There
is
is
sweetness in
sweetness
sugar
in
cane.
sugar.
Sugar cane. Okay. Ravi Verma Chitralekhane Samartah. Ravi Verma is a painter.
He's an expert at painting.
Painting. Okay.
He's an
Chitralekhane.
expert in painting.
Okay.
Ravi Verma is an expert in
Expert
painting. So Chitra Lekhanam is the Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. And for that, the Saptami Ekavachana form is Chitra Lekhane.
Okay.
Avagatam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadah.
There is somebody called KSS Vasan Mohadev. KSS Vasan. You're self-muted. Okay, I think there's a problem. Jayam Bhagini.
Ram Ram. Janaha Grame Nagare Va Vasanti. People
Yes.
live in the village or in the town.
Yes. Vasanti is
Plural
Vasantha.
Bahuvachanam. Janaha Bahuvachanam.
Yes. Janaha. Janaha is singular. Janaha plural. Grame Nagare Va. So here both are Saptami. I should have marked both. So Grame Nagare Va Vasanti. People live in the village or in the town.
Gajaha Aranyeshu Vasanti. Gajaha Bahuvachanam. Aranyeshu Bahuvachanam. Saptama Vibhakti Vasanti Bahuvachanam. Elephants live in the forest.
Yes. Aranyam, Aranyeshu. Aranyeshu is Saptami Bahuvachanam. Uttamam Bhagini.
Balaha Acharyasya Padayoho Namaskaroti. The boy Balaha of the Acharya Padayoho of the 2 feet. Padayoho Padeshu Namaskaroti. Doing the salute.
Samyak.
The boy salute the 2 feet of the Acharya.
Samyak. So Acharyasya is which Vibhakti?
6th Vibhakti. Shashtami Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Samyak. Samyak. So the boy bows or salutes at the feet of the Acharya or the Guru or the teacher. At the 2 feet of the teacher. Samyak. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
Jahnavi Satish.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram.
Patreshu jalam nasti. There is no water in the vessel.
Yes. Na asti is nasti. So it is not there. What is not there? Jalam. Jalam nasti. Kutra nasti. Patreshu jalam nasti. There is no water in the vessels. So here it is plural. Saptami Bahuvachanam. Patram, Patre, Patrani is Prathama. Saptami Bahuvachanam is Patreshu.
Tile tailam asti.
Tila.
Tile is
Yes.
so there
I
is
think this-
oil in the sesame.
Yes. Sesame or sesame, it is the oil seed. In that there is oil. Tailam is oil. So there is oil in sesame.
तैले स्नेहः अस्ति. तैले is also
Snehaha is, yes. Snehaha is a new word. Snehaha means stickiness.
then there is stickiness in oil.
Yes, there is stickiness in oil. So where is the stickiness? In the taila. So that's why we use the Saptami Ekavachana Rupam here. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवादः.
So Devi 73. Bhagini, we are not able to hear you. Devi 73. You are unmuted, but okay, I think there's a problem. Chandra Rekha Bhagini.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Namo Namah. Sarvatra Ishwarah Asti. Ishwar is God is everywhere.
Here there is there a Saptami Vibhakti here?
God is everywhere. Sarvatra Ishwarah Asti.
Yes.
So,
So
Ishvara
there
is the
no
subject.
specific. Yes. Ishvaraha is the subject. Sarvatra is an avyayam, isn't it? We studied.
Yes, there is no Saptami Vibhakti here.
Yes, but it means it indicates location, but there is no Saptami Vibhakti in this sentence.
Yes. Udhadhau Timingalaha Charanti. Timingalaha are whales. The whales move in the ocean, in the sea or ocean.
Yes.
Whales
So let
move
me
in the
explain
ocean.
this. Yes.
Is it ocean?
So, ocean. Yes. Udadhihi is the ocean. So it is like Hari Shabda. Udadhi Shabda. So in that Harau,
like Harau, it is Udhadau. So the whales move. Charanti I'm taking as moves. They
Correct.
move in the ocean.
Timingilaha are whales. So they move in the ocean.
Panyoho Angulayah sun is it should be Angulayah or Angulyah. I don't know because many pictures. Anguli, Angulyahu, Angulyah.
Exactly. So
So
it is an
Anguli
Ikaranta.
is small. Anguli is like Mati or like Nadi.
Nadi Shabda. Anguli.
Nadi, then it is long. Anguli, Angulyahu, Angulyah. Okay. So the two hands, Panyoho is two hands. There are fingers in two hands.
Yes. So this is also Panihi, which is like
Hand.
Hari Shabda. And since it is Dvivachanam, Haryoho, it is Panyoho. Panyoho, Angulyena.
There are fingers in two hands.
Yes. Samyak. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Aparna Sehgal, do you want to try this?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Ramuhu Ganite Nipunaha.
Yes.
Ramaha is an expert in mathematics.
Yes. Nipunaha is an expert. Ganitam is mathematics. So Ramahu Ganite Nipunaha. He is an expert in mathematics.
In mathematics. Mandavakasya Gurushu Adhika Pritihi. Manavakasya is
Manavakaha is a student.
Okay.
Manavakaha. Both have the same meaning. Manavakasya is the Shashti Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam, correct.
So
Manavaha
means
is dear to the Guru.
Very
or very dear to the Guru.
Yes. So he has love for the gurus. So
Oh,
in the
has
gurus,
okay.
he has a lot of,
Man,
in Sanskrita, we say Gurushu. We use Saptami when you have love or interest or affection towards something.
somebody, correct. There is
Yes.
immense love for the student to the teachers. Okay, Guru Shu.
Gurushu.
Yeah, so it is plural. Right.
Yes. So in the
Correct.
teachers, so it is
In the
plural
teachers.
Saptami Bahuvachanam.
Saptami Bahuvachanam. Correct. Aham bandhushu snihyami.
Snihyati is again somebody being attached to, being very dear to.
Okay. So I am okay. I am very close to, or I love my relatives. Okay.
Yes.
I have
So
love.
aham bandhushu means I have love for my relatives.
Right.
Bandhuhu is a relative.
Correct.
So bandhavaha will be plural. Bandhushu is the bahuvachana in Saptami Vibhakti.
Correct.
I
So
love my
love
relatives.
my relatives. Okay.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyawada Bhagini.
Again, there is an exercise. Dr. Sujata Bhatt, do you want to try beginning? You are self-muted.
Rama Rama.
Rama. Namaste.
Namaste. People live in cities. People, Janaha,
Yes.
live in cities. Cities live in cities. So cities will be, for city we say,
Nagaram.
anyway, it has to, Nagareshu.
Nagareshu. Janaha Nagareshu.
Ishu Vasanti. Vasanti because it's Bahuvachanam. People. Janaha Vasanti.
Yes.
Nagareshu. Ha. Lotuses bloom in the ponds. So in the ponds will be Tatakeshu.
Yes.
Ponds will be Tatakeshu. Lotuses will be Bahuvachanam Pushpani.
Pushpam is generally a flower. Lotus is Kamalam or Padmam.
So Kamal Bahuvachanam is Ani, no, because it is Napusakalingam. So Kamalani, Kamalamani. Bloom is Kamalani. Kamalani, bloom, I don't know the word for bloom.
Vikasati is blossoms or blooms.
Vikasati. So Kamalani Takateshu Vikasanti.
Vikasanti. Samyak.
Yes.
Kamalani Tadageshu Vikasanti. Samyak.
Tadakeshu Vikasanti. Yes.
Okay.
I read lessons in the book. So in the book, so the book will be Ekavachanam Saptama Vibhakti. So that will be Pustake.
Yes.
Pustake. Aham. Lessons is the Udhyaya. No. Lessons is Patha.
Patha is Prathama Ekavachanam.
So it will be
which vibhakti is this lessons? I read lessons. So what vibhakti?
Shashta vibhakti lessons.
It answers the question, what do you read? I read the lessons. So it is the object in the sentence.
So Dvitiya vibhakti. Patham. Pathan.
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 Aham patam
पुस्तके पठामि.
पुस्तके पठामि. Aham will be patami. Yes.
Yes.
Thing is, I don't know much of Hindi, so that's why I'm trying to learn compare with the Hindi word.
Okay. Aham pustake pathan
Patami.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini.
Thank you.
I want more volunteers. I am seeing the same hands being raised. Can more of you volunteer? Bhaiya. Umadev, do you want to try the next set?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ramara.
You are living in a city.
You is
Tvam nagare vasasi.
Excellent. Tvam nagare vasasi. Tvam is
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, vasasi.
Do you have a taste in mathematics? Or
so let me give you the hint. So taste is ruchihi.
Bhavati? Do we get bhavati or bhavati?
So you can just assume it is tvam for now.
Okay. Tvam ganite. Tvam ganite.
Is there a taste for you or of you in Ganita is how we say in Sanskrit. Tava Ganite ruchihi astiva iti vaktavya. Tava is yours. That is Shakti Ekavachana is used. So for you or of you, is there an interest in mathematics is the question, or in science. Vijnanam is science. So Vijnane Ganite are Saptami Vibhakti. Ganite astiva Vijnane va. You can ask a question in that manner. So how many fingers are there in hands? How many is which word? When we have to ask how many, we say kati.
Katihi. Kati.
Kati.
Kati. Angulyaha.
Or panyoho.
Kati angulyaha santi.
Angulyaha santi.
Hastayoho is also correct. Hastayoho is also correct.
Yes.
Hastayoho kati angulyaha santi.
Santi. Samyak. Uttam. Dhanyavadah.
Ram Ram.
Ram. Yes. Dhandapani Mahodaya. Dhandapani Mahodaya, you're self-muted. I think you're not able to unmute yourself. Please, I want more volunteers. Just try. We will attempt it together. Okay. I see only the same hands raised again and again. Okay, Padma K 1961.
Namaste, Bhavini.
Ram Ram. Namaste.
Ram Ram.
Lord Vigneshwara.
Lord Vigneshwara has taste in Modaka. Kapita fruit, I don't know what it is.
Kapita fruit is, I don't know what it is. We say
No, that is all.
kapita.
Kapita itself is Sanskrit, this is?
Yes.
Okay, then. Ganeshah.
Vigneshwarasya. So when we say Ruchihi, we use the Shashti Vibhakti. So Tasya Asmin Ruchihi Asti. So Vigneshwara's taste is in this thing. What is it? He likes Modaka, Kapita fruit and the Jambu fruit.
Okay. Vigneshwarasya Modake.
Yes.
Kapitapale Jambupale cha Ruchihi Asti. Okay. Vigneshwarasya.
So Vigneshwarasya will be Shashti. So his interest or liking is in these three things. That is Modaka, Kapita Phala and Jambu. So for all these three, we use the Saptami Ekavachana. Modake, Kapita Phale, Jambu Phale. All three are Napumsakalinga, Akaranta Padas. So we just use the form as A at the end. One is
okay. How many fingers are there in the legs?
Yes.
Padaihi.
Padayoho is Saptami.
Padayoho. Padayoho kati angulyah santi.
Yes. Samyak. Padayoho kati angulyah santi. Samyak bhagini. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
Pavitra V. Ram. Yes.
He is filling up water in the vessels. Saha Patram.
Patram, what is the Saptami Vibhakti and which Vachanam is this in?
Patreshu.
Patreshu. So this is which Vachanam?
Bahuvachanam.
So we use Patreshu. Saha Patreshu.
Patreshu.
Water is?
Jalam.
Filling up is Purayati.
Purayati. Saha Purayati.
Saha Patreshu Jalam Purayati. Purayati means to fill.
To fill. Sakuntala is best among dramas.
Yes. Drama is Natakam. So,
Natakam. Sakuntala. Natake.
So when you want to say among dramas, you use the Saptami Vibhakti. Yes, go on.
Sakuntala Natake Uttamam Asti.
Samyak. But this among dramas, there is plural, isn't it? So you will say
Sakuntala Natakaya.
Natakeshu.
Natakeshu.
Because we need to use the Saptami Bahuvachanam. Natakam is Napumsakalinga. So Bahuvachanam of Saptami will be Natakeshu. Shakuntala Natakeshu. Shreshtha or Uttama. So we use Shreshtha or Uttama because Shakuntala is Strilinga. So we use the corresponding feminine adjective, which is Shreshtha or Uttama. Is it clear?
अस्तु आचार्य, धन्यवादः आचार्य.
धन्यवादः. So the homework is this lesson 22. We have done one exercise now. You can practice that. and also do the second exercise. You can learn the forms of the Bhavat Shabda and then read the lessons 23 and 26. So 23 is the vocative case, which we have already done. And we also did the Lot Lakara. So this involves the use of Lot Lakara, lesson 23. So try that. There are just sentences, there are no exercises, I think. 26 again has the Bhavat Shabda, Bhavati and Bhavat Napumsakalinga Shabda. So you can try just going through the two lessons. Then there are revision exercises which we have not completed, which are from 27 to 31. For each Vibhakti, there is one lesson. So please go through it. I will be uploading the new words in each of these lessons in the course page. So you can refer to that and then you can try translating all the sentences. And as I told you, next class will be only for revision. We will do some revision. If there is any area which you want me to repeat or you have doubts in, so you can please write to me either just now or you can email me as well. We will take it up in the next class. After that, as I told you, there will be a break of 15 days. And during that period, you can complete these lessons with the help of the new words. Of course, the answer key is also available immediately after the lesson itself, in the textbook itself. So please complete that. And then, if you remember, we had left out 4 subdivisions of lesson 12. So that portion has also been added. Now you will be able to do it. Please try it and then check your answers with lesson 12, which has been updated in the course page under session 17. So the class 17 lessons, if you click on that, below that you will find the lesson 12. It is updated with the other 4 sections which we had omitted earlier. So please try that as well. So all these you can complete by middle of September when we meet again on September 16th. If you have any doubts, you can raise them in the class. So I think it's almost time. I'll just check if there are any questions and we will recite the Shanti Mantra. Do we have to remember some shlokas, etc. for the exam? No, there is no memorization of anything for now. Janakaha grihe asti. Janaka can be the name also. Yes. Okay, let me go from the beginning. I read lessons in the book. So what do you read? I read the lessons. So the lessons will be the object in the sentence, and that is why we use the Dvitiya Vibhakti. Since lessons is plural, Bahuvachanam, we use the Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. So Patham, Pathau, Pathan. This Pathan is the Dvitiya Bahuvachana Rupa of Patha Shabda. Does the Tava have to be in 7th case as well, or just the Tava is the Shashti Vibhakti. So Tava Ruchihi, always your interest or your taste or his taste. So that has the Shashti Vibhakti, but your taste is in what? That will be in the Saptami Vibhakti. Tava is not do you have. So again, it indicates possession. So do you have taste means it is an indication of possession. So we use the genitive case, which is Shashti. Kim tubhyam ganitam va vijnanam rochate is correct. But here we are trying to say ruchihi asti. So we use the Saptami Vibhakti. We are trying to use the Saptami Vibhakti. Okay, so kapitha is wood apple. Thank you for that. Vigneshwaraya modakam kapitha phalam jambu phalam cha rojate. Jambu phalam cha, here there are three things, isn't it? So Vigneshwaraya modakam kapitha phalam jambu phalam cha rochante. So there are three things which are being liked. So it will be in Bahuvachan. Shakuntalam can also be used. So when we say Shakuntalam Natakam, we can say Shakuntala. We can say we can use the Napumsakalinga form. There is a class on the 31st when we will be doing the revision of everything that we have done. And if you have any doubts, you can raise them in class. The exam details are yet to be announced. We will be announcing in class. So when we meet on the 16th, I will let you know the details about the exam. Only the date is fixed for now, which is October 5th. The other details, in fact, some wanted to know if they can take the exam on another day. We will generally not, appreciate your postponing the date of the exam. But if there are exceptional circumstances, you can write to me, and we will. We have still not decided what the academic council the policy will be. So we will decide based on that whether that can be permitted or not. But if there is a problem, please do write to me. Angulyaha means fingers. Timingilaha means whales. Coming Tuesday, we have class. August 31st, we do have class. So, Vigneshwarasya modakam, we are not saying it is the modakam of Vigneshwara. We say it is the ruchi of Vigneshwara. So, the ruchi of Vigneshwara is in the modakam, is what we are trying to say. The exam will be a multiple choice, as usual, the multiple choice questions, and it will be an online thing. There will be no descriptive answers. You just have to select the correct answers. You will not be required to type in Sanskrit. Next class is coming Tuesday. After that, we'll meet on September 16th. If you have affection to one teacher, will the teacher be in plural? No, it will just be singular. Mama acharye pritihi asti is what you will say. So acharyeshu will not come, acharye will come. Yes, it is an online exam. About the exam, you have some doubts. Yes, that's a good question. I will check that and let you know. In Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi, why is there Madhyama Purusha? So normally we said that with Bhavati, only the Prathama Purusha is used. But here we see the Madhyama Purusha Lot Lakara form. I will check that and let you know. That's a good question. Fees, payment, etc. There is no fees involved for the exam. Normally we say Kapitha Palam and Jambu Palam only. So we use it with the Phala Shabda. Can you please recommend any study material other than the textbook? I will definitely check and let you know. I would request you to please email me whether for Vibhakti practice there are other textbooks, because our textbook itself has enough number of exercises. So if you want to do more than that, I can check and let you know which textbooks to refer. The exam will not be open for an entire day. During our class, usually at 8 o'clock it will start, but I am not sure if we can have the duration as 1 hour or a little longer. I will let you know the details on maybe the 16th of September. Okay, those are the questions. Let us recite the Shanti Mantra. So somebody wants the meaning of the Shanti Mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. May everyone be happy. Sarve Santu Niramayaha. May they be disease free. So Santu again is so this Asti Bahuvachana in Lot Lakara. Sarve Santu Niramayaha, without diseases. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. May everyone see auspiciousness everywhere. Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhave. May no one be unhappy. May they not have dukkha. Om Shanti, peace, peace and peace. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayaha. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. धन्यवादः. मंगलवासरे मिलामः. शुभरात्रिः. राम राम.